Hello, welcome back to another new video. This will be a different review and unboxing than the previous ones which we did. In the previous video, we reviewed the Samsung Galaxy S8 and we did an unboxing and review of Samsung Galaxy A10s. If you haven't checked those out, I'll leave the link in the descriptions down below so you guys can go check those ones out. Now let's begin with the unboxing and review of the earbuds V8-TWS. Inside the box, you have a user manual, which in one side is written in Chinese and on the other side is written in English. Then you have the earbuds and the charging case, and once you lift the cover, you will find the charging cable, which is a micro USB. To give you guys a heads up, the charging cable which is found in the box is small compared to any other standard USB cable. The cable which is found in the box is around 30 to 40 centimeter long compared to the standard 1.5 meter USB cable which is found with phones and other devices. Now let's check out the quality of the material with which the V8-TWS earbuds are made out of. The case of the earbuds is made out of plastic, similar to the AirPods but with lower quality material. The earbud itself is made out of plastic, similar to the case. Since the V8-TWS is not made out of hard plastic and the material is similarly fragile, it is recommended that you may stay cautious while using these earbuds as they may break easily. The V8 looks very similar to the AirPods. If not, some people may actually confuse them with the actual and original AirPods. The dimensions and the size are very similar, including the outer design and the shape. No matter from which angle you look at them, you'll not be able to distinguish them from one another at first glance. Before we look into the earbuds, let's have a look at the charging case. The charging case is small and slim, easy to carry around and easy to put inside the pocket or a bag. And the case has 4 small dots in the front, which indicates the charging status. Each dot represents 25% of battery life. At the bottom of the case there is a micro USB charging port in order to charge the case. In terms of how fast it charges, the case itself can take up to 3 hours to charge, while the earbuds takes only 1.5 hours. Do not forget that you can carry the case around and recharge your earbuds whenever it runs out of battery, and you can do this up to 4 times before you have to recharge the case. In order to charge these earbuds, you need to connect the case with the USB provided in the package. It is a micro USB, therefore you can use any type of micro USB to charge this case and the earbuds. Once you're done there, you plug the USB to the power supply and your earbuds will charge. In order to know how these earbuds are charging and whether they are charging, you'll see an indicator, a green light on the charging case. There are 4 dots, each dot represents 25% of the battery. Right now, only one of my dots is green, therefore it means that it is only 25% charged. The V8-TWS are very easy to connect to your iOS or Android device. All you need to do is take them out of the case and you will see a flashing light, a red flashing light on the right earbud. That means that it is ready to pair. On your device, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Bluetooth, and click on Scan if your device does not automatically scan, and look for devices nearby. On the results, you'll find a device called V8-TWS, otherwise only V8. If you click on that, these earbuds will automatically connect to your device. The controls are very simple and easy, whether you're playing a video or music or a song. Let me take you through the controls. In order to pause the song or the video, you tap once on any of the earbuds, whether it's right or left one, it doesn't matter, your song or the video will pause. In order to move forward, you tap twice on the right one or the left earbud. In order to activate Google Assistant, you tap and hold for 5 seconds. In order to reset your earbuds, you tap and hold for 15 to 20 seconds, and that will reset the entire earbud, which means that you lose Bluetooth control from your phone to the earbud, and therefore you can reconnect your earbuds with another device, or you can reconnect them with your phone. Okay, so I just did a quick testing and I played some music and some songs. So to conclude, the sound quality is very good, especially for the price point, but there are a few drawbacks, of course. So the first drawback is the bass. You'll not get that much bass on these earbuds compared to other headphones and earpods, but the bass is still there. Even if it's very low, you still enjoy the music. Another drawback is the clarity of the song and the voice that comes from a song. So whenever a singer is singing, the clarity of their voice is not as much as you'll expect it to be. But for the rest, it is a great earbuds, and you'll enjoy listening to music every day when you go to the gym, and it is a very good earbuds for everyday use. So to conclude, say these are very good earbuds, and you're going to enjoy using them, especially for the price point, as I mentioned before. So you can get these earbuds in USA for around $20 to $45, and in the UK starting from 20 to 35-40 pounds. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and enjoyed it, and subscribe. That will really help. And I'll see you guys in the next one.